Yes, oh yes, another amazing video, another crazy, or maybe an amazing video. Welcome back on my channel, on my podcast, on my page. Right. I saw a comment on one of my videos, and this video has been born out of that comment. This video has been produced or generated from that comment. And I said to myself, you know what? Let me do a video right now, coming from that comment or stemming, emanating from that comment. So this comment was saying, when it comes to marrying a girl, marrying a lady, a woman from Ndebele tribe in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town, or any part, any area under Matebeni province, Matebeni region, what you only need is 5 or 6 or 7 cows, 5 or 6 or 7 cattle, and you are done. You take your girl, you take your woman, you take your lady, and go with her. That is the process of marriage. Those are the demands to marry a girl, a lady, a woman from Ndebele tribe. I'm like, what? What are you saying? So this was my default reaction. I had to beat or tap myself on my body like, am I dreaming or I'm not dreaming? Then my good brain said, no, you are not dreaming, man. You're okay. You're fine. You're well. You're good to go. You're not dreaming. This comment is real. Just get 5 or 6 or 7 cows, 5 or 6 or 7 cattle, and you marry your girl, you marry your woman, you marry your lady from Ndebele tribe in Bulawayo Town, Bulawayo City, in Matebeni province, Matebeni region. So I'm here to ask you and confirm again, like, is this true or it's not true? Is this correct or it's not correct? That I must look for just 5 cows or 6 cows or 7 cows, 5, 6 or 7 cattle, and I come and pay. I come and pay lobola or lobola to the family of the girl that I want, that I like. Is this true or it's not true? Whoever wrote that comment on one of my videos, what was he or she trying to say? But judging from the way it was written, I think it was coming from a man, not really a woman or a lady. It was coming from a guy, a man, Ndebele guy, Ndebele man from Bulawayo, from Matebele province. That hey, forget about the 20 cows that you are talking about. But on that video, someone told me, or some other people told me, no, you need at least from 20 cows. This is what they were saying to me when I heard them talk to me, that you need from at least 20 cows, 20 cattle, going above or going upwards, 20, 21, 30, whatever, 40, 50. And to me, it was just something, a mountainous task to do, something just expensive, like 20, 30, 40, 50 cattle. Where am I going to get them? Where am I going to collect them or gather them? Using what money? By using what kind of money? What kind of cash? For me to get 20, 21, 22, 25, 27, 29, 30, 40, 50 cattle. From where? Using what money? With what money? So it was just ridiculously expensive, just enormous, just massive, very expensive to me. So this guy said, no, you are lost. The people who told you they didn't tell you the real truth. Just look for 5 or 6 or 7 cattle, 5, 6, 7 cows. You go and pay to the family, and you are done. Then you begin to enjoy your girl. You begin to enjoy your woman, enjoy your lady through the institution of marriage, through this ministry of marriage. I'm like, what? So I want to ask you, is this true or is not true? What do you have to say? What are your comments on this thing of marrying or paying lobola to a Ndebele family from the Ndebele tribe? What are the customs? What are the beliefs? What are the traditions? What are the protocols? What are the payment plans? Or what is the payment procedure like? What is the protocol like? How much money? Or truly speaking, honestly speaking, how many cattle? Is it 5 or 6 or 7? Or maybe like previously stated to me, like you need at least from 20 cows going upwards. So which school of thought is correct? Which person was correct or is correct? 5 or 6 or 7, or maybe this other one who said to me, right from 20 cows going upwards for you to be eligible to marry, eligible to pay lobola, for you to be found legitimate in terms of paying lobola to a Ndebele family from the Ndebele society, Ndebele community. Please, which school of thought, which statement, or which message is true as far as how I've explained is concerned, as far as how I've described these statements or words or messages that I heard from people who told me is concerned? Drop comments, write comments, type comments, talk to me. I want to know. I want to know. Yes, I want to know. I want to understand this topic about paying lobola to a Ndebele family. Ndebele family. How does the process go like? What protocol? What procedure? How much? How many cattle? How many cows? Talk to me in the comments box, comment section. I'm done talking. Peace out. Sharp.